Hi, welcome to Mad Machine. Fasten your seatbelts, brace yourselves, and don't forget to grab some snacks for an even more enjoyable experience while watching this video. Today, we're diving into just how awesome humans are at designing and building heavy machinery to tackle tough jobs like mining. If you're into these massive mining trucks, go ahead and hit like, share, and subscribe to keep me going. Thanks a ton. Okay, this is Sandvik TH663. Wow, this first one is absolutely massive. From a distance, it might even look like a toy truck for kids, right? With a hauling capacity of 63 tons, the Sandvik TH663i truck is built for underground mining operations, packed with high safety features and optimized performance. It's got a powerful, compact design that's perfect for maneuvering in tight spaces. Next, Hitachi EX5600-6. This excavator is a go-to machine for large mines worldwide. The Hitachi EX5600-6 boasts a robust design and a large bucket capacity. Allowing it to dig and move mining material quickly. Its immense power makes it highly efficient, even in tough terrains. Next, MAN Takraf RB293. The MAN Takraf RB293 is one of the largest heavy machines used for large-scale earth excavation. Standing up to 96 meters tall with massive rotating wheels, this machine can move an enormous amount of earth and is typically used in open-pit mining. Next, Bagger 288. One of the largest excavators in the world used in open-pit mining. This giant machine stretches up to 225 meters long and weighs around 13,500 tons. With its massive digging capacity, it's frequently employed to extract coal in German mines. Next, P&HL 1850. This loader is a powerhouse for handling heavy materials in large mining operations. With advanced hydraulic technology, it ensures faster and more efficient material transport. Next, Kobelco SK850LC. Kobelco's largest excavator, designed for major construction projects and intensive earthworks. While it's not as massive as some mining equipment, this machine is incredibly reliable on large construction sites, thanks to its power and versatility. Next, Liebherr LTM 11200-9.1. The Liebherr LTM 11200-9.1 is a mobile crane with the longest telescopic boom in the world. This heavy-duty machine can reach heights of up to 100 meters and lift loads of up to 1,200 tons. With high mobility, this crane can easily be moved to large construction sites to install infrastructure or large building components. Next, Komatsu WE2350. The WE2350 is a giant wheel loader built for mining operations. With a bucket capacity of up to 53 cubic meters, this loader can move heavy material at impressive speeds. Its advanced engine and hydraulic system technology deliver optimal performance and improved fuel efficiency. Next, Komatsu D475 A-8. The Komatsu D475 A-8 is a large bulldozer frequently used in major construction and mining projects. With its powerful engine, this bulldozer efficiently moves massive amounts of earth, making it ideal for leveling large areas. Next, Caterpillar 6090FS. The latest version of the Caterpillar 6090FS features a more efficient design and upgraded technology. Known as one of the largest hydraulic shovels, this machine is used in large mines. With a bucket capacity that enables massive material loading in each cycle. Next, Komatsu D155 AX-8. This bulldozer is one of the largest in Komatsu's lineup. Ideal for heavy earth-moving tasks, the Komatsu D155 AX-8 features a robust design with advanced safety features, allowing it to operate effectively in challenging environments. Next, Liebherr T282B. The Liebherr T282B is one of the largest mining trucks in the world, with a hauling capacity of up to 400 tons. Its durable design and impressive maneuverability make it highly popular in large mines. Where it's trusted for reliably transporting heavy materials. Next, Overburden Conveyor Bridge F60. The Overburden Conveyor Bridge F60 is a colossal conveyor, spanning over 500 meters in length. Designed for large-scale material transfer in open-pit mines, the F60 is highly efficient in mining operations, enabling continuous high-volume material movement quickly and effectively. These heavy machines are symbols of technological advancement in the mining and construction industries, showcasing humanity's ability to create enormous equipment for massive tasks that demand exceptional hauling capacity and power. So, what do you all think of these machines? Do they really help get the job done? Do they actually make work easier? Drop a comment on which machine you think is the best. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.